Hey folks, MACT, and that's right, I'm back. It's been, gosh, 2.5 months or more since I last made a video. All I can say is the holidays hit. I've had a lot of issues going on. Family was living with me was leaving, and all sorts of things started going on. And birthdays and Thanksgiving, it just got too darn busy. And quite frankly, I did not have the ambition to do or make a video. And on top of it, I was working on some other projects. I had another group that I had to move, and I moved it over here to MeWe. Some of you are not in it. That's fine. It deals with things that, you know, not everybody's interested in. But I have created that group, and if you're in my Facebook group, you know what it is. You can join it if you want. But either way, I am here to tell you that for the foreseeable future, I am not moving MACTFORDEDGE from Facebook, nor am I moving the garage. But I am providing an opportunity of a MACTFORDEDGE on MeWe. That's right. You can go there and you can jump on it and do it. There's about 200 people in it now, or it's nearing that. So it's not like it's devoid of content. And quite frankly, the content I put in there you won't always see in the Facebook group. So I am making it that it is the same but different. So 6 one way, half dozen another. But I'm making content in that is different than the content altogether in Facebook. But the Facebook content is my priority, but I do try to keep that one up and running too. Same admin, same rules, same everything that we do. That is pretty much it. And it's taken a little bit. It's a heavy lift, and trying to get things going. I also started a Rumble channel. I don't get paid anything for my Rumble videos, so I don't have much on there. It's an infancy stage, so if you want to become a Rumbler, just jump on there, look for MACT. That's right, it just says MACT. That's all you're going to see is MACT for my Rumble channel. I am not making it Ford-centric. I am not making it anything-centric. It'll be any car repair video or anything. And why did I do that? Well, let's put it this way. The Ford Edge will be around as a used vehicle for a long time, but the Ford Edge itself is dying. Quite frankly, you know, we'll have used vehicles to fix in the future. There will not be any new ones in the future. So that being said, we'll still make it that way, but I have to plan ahead. You know, planning's all part of the thing, sweetheart. And sweetheart, that's what I tell my daughter. Sorry, little Freudian slip. But we always plan, and I'm trying to plan for everything because I have to make sure the channel grows. So that's what I'm doing, folks. I'm just planning and trying to find, and as they say, sometimes you got to throw something at the fan to see what's, you know, at the wall rather, to see what sticks. And I'm just trying to see what sticks. I'm trying to see how the platform, who knows, we may not make it, I don't know. But at least if Facebook doesn't work out, because I have been hit by Facebook, a pretty serious hit, and they were talking about shutting the group down. I can't have that. I have to have an alternative. So that's why I did this. And it was something really stupid too. So I don't know if it was a fluke or what, but you know, if you're running a Facebook group nearing 8,000 members, you don't want it shut down. You don't. And I have to have a way to direct people, and that's why I'm telling you, if you all, you know, want, join the MeWe. I can guarantee you it'll be ran the same way, same postings, and you don't pay for MeWe, only if you want to pay for it. Okay, so keep that in mind. Don't let that rumor go, you got to pay for it. You don't pay for it. It wants you to pay and buy stickers and all this other stuff, but it's just marketing, and that's all it is. There's no fee associated with it. Same with Rumble. But keep that in mind and understand that, yes, I've been not making videos, and quite frankly, I ran to a point where, gosh, I just didn't find content I wanted to do. And two, if you're watching this video now, you've known I've gotten out of a bit of a slump over it. I had a hard time deciding whether or not I wanted to even continue the channel. I talked to Mano, and you know, basically I just had to get back in the saddle again. So that's where I'm at, folks. I have already made another video on replacing the tires on Blueberry, or the wheels rather, and that will be up here shortly after this one. But this will be my first one, and welcome back type thing for me. I'm glad to be back on the YouTube channel. Took a bit of a break, and just want y'all know I'm working on it. I got a few other things, some TSBs and some other items that I'm working on. I have issues that are going on with you know, other things that I'm trying to work through, and you know, I'm doing that MX Plus thing that you've all seen in the Facebook group. So that there's alone. I hope you all participate and spread the word that how good the MACTFORDEDGE Facebook group is. I understand it is not the largest group, but hey, I don't have Ford Edge as the first part of my name. It says MACT, so when people search for Ford Edge, we're way down on the list, and they of course see the other groups that are named Ford Edge first. YouTube brings in most of the viewers that I see, and then I get, when I post videos in other groups that are Ford Edge, I get some, you know, bleed off in there. But YouTube is primarily the way I get new members into the group. Hands down, it brings in more than me posting other Facebook groups. So that being said, that's how it all works out. You know, it's just took me a bit. I had to get back in here. You know, you get that little mental block, and you just got to work through it. And today is my work through, folks. So I'm back at it, energetic and trying to get it all done. And hey, life is really good. You know, I really had it, and thank you all for your great wishes on my wife and I's anniversary. That was much appreciated, and you know, the family dynamic is greatly improved, and I'm just loving it. It's just a happy time, and my daughters are growing before my eyes. Got an adult daughter now. Holy cow, go figure. Wow, time flies. Get older, hopefully wiser. And I'm thanking you all from the bottom of my heart for the support you give to the channel, to the group. And without you, it wouldn't be what it is. You folks make up the group. Manoran is like, he's like the #1 admin. If you ever had to have an admin in your channel or group, he would be the #1. And he is my dearest and best friend in the world. And you know, I can't thank him enough. And I want you guys to thank him, because he is the rock behind everything that I do. And he doesn't say much, but he is very special to me as far as what I do, and I can't thank him enough. And man, you're the best in the world. But that being said, I'm happy to be back. I said that already, but I am just so happy to be back doing some videos, and I've been out of my garage and doing stuff. I just measured the oil on Lou, and all I can tell you is check the Facebook group out, because it was shocking. I was shocked. Oh boy. I'm not driving Lou. I'm just going to tell you all that right now. I have to wait till Friday. I got to warm her up, and then I need to work on her. I was surprised at the oil when I looked at Lou. I just was so surprised. You know, it's nothing bad. No oil or no water in the oil, but I was shocked. So anyway, that's where it's at. I'm going to get an oil sample done on her to see what's going on. But yeah, it's caused me to pause and question, because I haven't seen this before, and not at this rate. This is way low, so I gotta figure it out. But anyway, like, subscribe, join. Don't forget to, hey, hook up on the MeWe, and you can also find me in the Facebook group too. Anyway, both my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.